Hey, it's your girl, and I'm back yet with another video. Hey, Jelly Beans. And thank you to all my new subscribers. Y'all is doing the thing. Thank you so much. Come through, family. Come through, friends. Yes, honey. But today, I am going to be doing, showing y'all what I do in my daily life, like in the morning during this time of the day or whatever. So something needs to be clean. And I know that I haven't cleaned my refrigerator in a while, so I'm about to get this done. And yeah, so we're going to jump right into this. But thanks everyone for helping your girl out, supporting your girl, and keep on pushing my videos, and keep on pushing my videos and letting other people know about my videos. That's what I'm trying to say. And thank y'all so much for y'all support. I'm up to 38 subscribers. Yes, thank you, Jelly Beans. But anyway, this is going to be I'm getting ready to clean this refrigerator. You can hear my wash machine running because I'm doing laundry. So I'm been hanging out clothes. It's a pretty nice day today. I got the door open. So yeah, I'm about to jump on into this, and I'm not going to be going over my time because it's really only 15 minutes. So I will be coming back on after 15 minutes is up on this video. I'll be coming back on the next video and just showing y'all the aftermath of everything. So far, this is how this refrigerator is looking. And yes, I know it's a mess, guys. And so yes, I have to clean this refrigerator and everything. So yeah, I'm just about to jump right into this, and hopefully you guys can see me from down here. Hey, Jelly Beans. But yeah, I'm about to get in here and get this started. And yes, this is my bleach water and everything that I have up in here. This stuff is like really soaked up. Wait a minute, guys, because I have to get my thing. Have to get my brush. I wish I could have had some music playing for you guys, but I don't have enough subscribers for that yet, as you already know. So I can't play no music. YouTube don't allow you to advertise music for copyright, so they won't get sued. So yeah, so I don't have any music playing, and I don't have enough subscribers to use the YouTube music yet. So you guys, that's why I've been working so hard on getting subscribers so I can be able to use, you know, the certain special functionings that YouTube has, that they let you subscribe and stuff. You know, once you get a certain subscribers, they do allow you to use certain functions of theirs, like their music that they have, whereas though they don't have to worry about copyright, getting sued for copyrights. So of all this water that I have down there. Yes, come through, bleach, come through. Yes, y'all. I don't know what I was thinking about letting this refrigerator get like this. Like I said, I've been on an up and down spiral and everything. So the girl getting it together. She's getting it together, guys. She's getting it back together. I don't even let my refrigerator get like this. I know Sugar looking at this video and see this refrigerator probably be like, woo, Sugar, what was you thinking? I'm getting it together though, Sugar. I'm getting it together. Trying to do this from an angle with my butt. With my butt top. Won't be all in everybody's face. It's getting there, guys. It's getting there, jelly beans. Getting there, jelly beans. And don't worry about these sides, guys. Y'all see a little stain because some of it came from paint from when we was painting, so it's not dirt. Just like on the side of my stove, it might look like it's dirt, but that's from the countertop paint because we did use countertop paint for our countertop. I forgot to mention that, I think, in the videos of me showing y'all the DIY of our kitchen, but that is countertop paint on the side of that. Let me put this up here. So yeah, jelly beans, I'm almost getting this done. As you can see, I got everything sitting right here on top of the wash machine. So that's why I got that stuff. Yes, I got my water running. You have to wash these out. I tell you, having a small kitchen, Lord Jesus. This kitchen is small, guys, and I say little. And those of you that know me and family members, y'all know this kitchen is small. But I work with what I got. That's for damn sure. I still got to do the sides of my the side door of my refrigerator. Still ain't finished. Like I said, if I run out of time by 15 minutes, I need to get a battery for my timer too, so it can be timing. So therefore, I can be making sure, you know, I keep track of my time. to know when it start vlogging. So I'll get that straightened out this week. Because we do got to get some batteries. When we go out shopping, we always sit down and make our list of stuff that we need. I'll probably do that tonight. And I'm gonna sit this on this chair right here. On to the next, baby. On to the next. The insides wasn't too dirty. That's how come I like having some stands in there too, because it comes in handy with not getting these all dirtied up. That's what I'm talking about. That's why I like organizing my stuff in these, because it helps keep these from getting all dirty. So, you know, anything that can shorten down your cleaning time load, and anything that's you know, useful, you know, that's just a frugal way for me to lighten up my cleaning load when it comes to the refrigerator and stuff like that. So, yeah. And plus, it helps me stay organized in my refrigerator. It helps me to know where everything is instead of rummaging around looking for stuff. I know exactly where it's at, and all I have to do is just scoop out the drawer or stick my hand in there and just get what I need. You know, that's what I said. It's all about being frugal living. Make things easier for you. You know, that's all. And it's not a lazy way of doing things. It's just a way of being organized. That's all that is, guys. Now I gotta clean this thing off. Yeah, guys, I ain't doing nothing but in here cleaning, doing what I do. Getting this house in order. I didn't do it yesterday because I do not clean on I don't clean on Sunday. Where my husband rest days. We don't do nothing on Sunday. Even God rested on Sunday, baby. Sure. I got water on, you guys. Sorry about that. And my little handheld thing, this just came from today, and I love this. The little stand that the phone's sitting on, that just came today from I'm just wiping down this thing. That came today from what you call it, Wish. Yeah, so, and I like it. I've been waiting for it. It's better than the big ones. Got to keep moving and stuff like that. This is more easier to adjust and everything, guys. So yeah, I'm loving that. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and finish doing what I'm doing. And I did also my neck for the refrigerator came too. So, yeah, I'm going to go ahead on and hop on up off of here. Let me put this here right quick. Okay. I'm going to go ahead on and hop on off of here, guys. And, yeah, everyone just have a blessed day. And like I said, I'll be back on here after I finish doing this refrigerator and show y'all what my liners in there and everything cleaned up and stuff. And I'm also going to be doing a little rearranging like the kitchen area, what I want over here to make this countertop over there, to make that countertop part more spacious for me. So that stuff going to be is going to be gone too, because I didn't get that rack to clear out that corner just to put a whole lot of stuff over there either. So I want that as, you know, as cleared out as possible. And these right here is not going to be right there. So I'm taking them down and putting them in a bowl, because I do use that stuff too. That was just a means to a way of, you know, a little decoration in the house. And not only that, for everything, I didn't have enough room for everything. So what I'm doing, it'll make it more room, and I can put something else on that wall that I need right there to also to be in the kitchen too. So yeah, I'll be changing around some things and everything. But all right, you guys, thanks Jelly Beans, and thanks for stopping by. And to all my subscribers, you all appreciate it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And to everybody else that's coming on and joining my channel, please hit that subscribe button on your phone, the little red subscribe button. It don't cost you nothing. Give this video a thumbs up. All right, Jelly Beans. Goodbye. See you later.